Good morning, children. Today we shall see how to find mode, the third central tendency. Okay. We have finished with mean by direct method, median, and now we have come to mode. What is the formula for mean? In mean, there are 4 columns: class interval, class mark, frequency, fi, xi. Mean x bar is equal to summation fi, xi upon n. Median, you have to make the class continuous. In mode also we have to make the class continuous. Okay, these two please remember, we have to make the class continuous. In median there were 4 columns: given class, continuous class, frequency, cumulative frequency, less than type. You have to choose a median class, then you have to put it in the formula. What is the formula? Median is equal to L plus bracket n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Now mode. The formula is L plus bracket f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. L is again lower limit. F1, that is which frequency we are choosing, that I shall show you. H is the class width. The first thing, again we have to make the class interval continuous. Now we are given that 0 to 4. I told you how to make it continuous: minus 0.5 and add 0.5 to the upper limit. When you minus 0.5, you will be getting here as minus 0.5 to 4.5, and when you subtract from here, you will get 4.5 to 9.5, and this becomes 9.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 24.5, and 24.5 to 29.5. Okay, by now I am sure that you know how to make the class interval continuous. Frequency is given to you. You have to only choose which is f1, f0 and f2. f1, that is the main frequency which appear the maximum time. The highest frequency is known as f1. Which is the highest frequency over here? And that is 50. So this is my f1. One preceding that will be the f0. You know that f0 comes before f1, and one after succeeding will be f2. That's it. This is how we choose it. The highest frequency will be f1. One previous to that will be f0, that is f0. One after that will be the f2. Whichever is the f1, that will be the model class, because we require lower limit. Rest everything you know. Class with difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. Directly substitute in the formula. L plus, what is your lower limit over here? 9.5 plus bracket f1. What is your f1? 50 minus f0, one previous to that, that is 32, upon 2f1, that is 2 into 50, that is 100, minus f0, 32, minus f2 is 36, bracket close, into, what is your h? 5. So h is 4. Okay. Once you get the table ready, you write what is your L. What is your L? 9.5. What is your F1? F1 is 50. F0 is 32. F2 is 36. And what is your H? H is the difference between, that is 4. That is the class with 4. Then directly from here you substitute in the formula and you have to solve it. Okay. 9.5 plus, first you have to solve the bracket. 50 minus 32. How much is 50 minus 32? 18 upon 100 minus. First you add minus 32 and minus 36. You will be getting minus 68. So 100 minus 68. (9.5) plus bracket 18 upon 100 minus 68, 32 into 4. Now if you can see, this is multiplication, so you can cancel it over here. You will be getting 9.5 plus 18 upon, if you cancel it over here, 4 ones and 4 eights. 18 upon 8. Again you cancel with 2, you will get 4 and 9. So what are you getting over here? 9.5 plus 9 upon 4. First you solve this, get value for it, and then add to 9.5. So how much will you get it? 9.5 plus 2.25. 2.25. So you add that to here, so you will be getting 11.75. Okay. Now, depending upon whether it is the age, year, or whatever, you have to find out the approximately. Okay. If it can be left in fraction decimal, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, you have to find it approximately. Since it is point above more than 5, you can add 1 to this and make it as 12. Okay. This is how you find the mode. First, you have to draw the table. You have to find out which is the highest frequency, that will be the F1. One previous to that will be F0. One after that will be the F2. Then you write the formula. What is the formula for mode? L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Please add to that your formula set. Mod equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Again, for mod, the class should be continuous. Class should be continuous class. Okay. Please take your practice set 6.3. You have 4 questions over there. Fourth is the one which I have solved it on the board. That is the only one which is not continuous. Rest all given to you is continuous. The fourth one I have solved it on the board. And also take the problem set. In problem set, question number 8. Question number 8. That is also to find the mode. So very simple and small topic. Please complete your homework. Okay. So we have done with the central tendencies, mean, median, mode. All 3 are simple. Learn the formulas well. When it comes to mean, you should know the table contains how many columns and what is the formula. Median, formula, and how to find the cumulative frequency. And also remember, median and mode, you should have the continuous class. Okay. Even mode, you should know how to write the formula. Formula is very, very important. Even the bracket and the sign, minus and this sign. Always remember, in mode, as you can see, F1 is the maximum. From that main, highest one, others are minus in the bracket. So please remember that. From the biggest, that is F1, others are minus. So this also is minus, this also minus. So first is F1, which will be the highest. From there, the others are minus. Then we have to solve it. Now we have to how to represent the given statistical data by histogram, frequency polygon, and pie diagram. That we shall do. Okay, stop over here.